Welcome back. Now, the final process is not a technical process at all, but it's one that's often left out of Zoom practice, and that is sending a video instruction to the individuals that will be joining your Zoom webinar. And so the final video process is going to be one where the next video is one that you should either send to those who are going to be attending your webinar or meeting, or one that they can watch on your website before they attend. So when we walk through the next video and the next steps,
This meeting is being recorded.
we will be telling your attendees what it is that they can expect from you. Now, in some cases, we may explain things that may or may not occur, such as the fact that it's possible is that you may be broadcasting this webinar or meeting to another platform. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video process or in another video course.